Hi YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Do you see my shop right now, my workshop? I've got so many projects going on. Custom order, fabulous new desk I just picked up. I got so much going on. It's Easter weekend, so happy Easter to those that celebrate. This video is gonna be quick. I have a conundrum. Is that the right word? Yes, I'm in a pickle, a bind. Something puzzling me. As most of you know, I refinish antique furniture and I have a Toyota Tacoma truck, and I recently last summer bought myself an enclosed trailer, a 6x12. And I was told by the trailer dealership that I need to tighten my lug nuts after so many miles of driving said trailer on the wheels. And I cannot get the lug nuts off. And then I realized, no, it's not lug nuts, it's the lug nut covers. I have like these caps that are over the lug nuts and I can't get them off. And I Googled so many different things. Some people take a drill and they destroy the covers and just pop them off. Well, I went on Amazon and these little trinkets came in. I'm gonna call them trinkets because I looked bigger online. There's 3 different little tools here that I can try that will try and grab it. One is kind of like a tweezers looking one. I haven't even opened this up. It just came. So hold on, let me get a scissors. Hold on, stay with me. So we're gonna go outside to my trailer, to my wheel, and see if any of these work. So I'm gonna show you what I'm working with here. This is like a black little plastic tweezers, okay? As you can see by my facial expressions, I'm not holding out much faith. Then there's like this curly cute little trinket. You're supposed to get it around it and pop it off, hopefully. And there's this one. This one's kind of cute. Looks like a magnet, but it's not a magnet. I think it just grabs on, hopefully, to the cover and you just pull it off. So I'm gonna go upstairs into my driveway and we're gonna see if we can get my lug nut covers off my trailer. Okay guys, truck, trailer. And this is what I'm talking about here. So these little covers I can't get off to get to said nug nut. Wait, what am I saying? Lug nut. Oh my gosh. Lug nut. It's Friday. I'm tired. All right, here we go. What we're gonna try is the plastic tweezers. That is like, it's getting in there, but it's not. Oh. It's not grabbing it. Let me try again. Come on. Boy, I'm not having much luck with that one. Okay, forget that one. We're gonna try the magnet one. I call it the magnet one. Okay. Oh, yep. Okay, I got behind it. Come on. Squeeze and pull, right? So I'm actually on the back of the lug nut cover. Oh, the space is so narrow to get something back there. Come on, you son of a gun. Urgh. Okay, that one's, now it's stuck. Oh, come on. Wait. Okay, that one's not very good. I'm gonna try the pigtail one. All right, come on. One of these has to work. Or I'm not having much luck with this. Can you get in here, Maddie? You're doing a close-up of what the tool's doing. So I'm trying to get this around and somehow get it to release. So I had some luck with this one, grabbing the cover from behind. So it's behind it right now. It's catching on it. It's just finding that sweet spot. and getting it to loosen. Oh, come on. Is this what I get for like buying it off Amazon? Because I'm at my wit's end trying to figure out how to get these off. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm not one to give up easily, and I'm as stubborn as they come. I'm gonna keep trying with these 3 tools. Come on, one of them has to work. The guy that I watched on another YouTube, he took the tweezer one and it has these like clasp on the back. That's how I heard it like clip when he did it. It made like a clipping noise. But my lug nut covers are so tight in here, there's not much room to manipulate a tool, even one as small as this, behind in the back. All right, Madeline, daughter, I'm gonna have you stop recording because people are gonna get so bored. They're gonna be like, she's not doing anything. Girls suck. They don't know what the heck they're doing. We don't suck, but I'm gonna keep going here. This one I think I'm gonna have the most luck with because it's actually catching it. If I could just do one, I would feel pretty happy here. All right, I'll have you stop. Okay, guys, I'm still working at it. It's so cold. It's like high 40s, but the wind makes it feel so much colder out here. So my hands are starting to freeze, but it's not working. Okay, still working at it. They're still not coming off. I don't understand why a trailer company doesn't give you a doohickey, a tool, a thingamajig, a thingamajobber to get these lug nut covers off. Because this is insane. This should not be taking this long. This should not be frustrating me as much as it is. And I shouldn't look like this much of an idiot out in my neighborhood trying to get these off. I just can't. So this thing will grab it. See those little pinchers? Ding, ding, ding. That will grab it, get a hold of it. I just can't get enough, like, I don't know, the sweet spot and get it to come off. And it's frustrating me. And these are these little things that just really irk me. Because it should be simple. It should be simple. One and done. Done. But no. Oh my gosh. At this point, I'll just post this video and I'll be like, hey y'all, if you have an idea of how to get lug nut covers off, please let me know. Because I need to tighten mine, but I can't get to them. I'm afraid a wheel's gonna come off. I'm so hyper vigilant with everything. And I've been slacking on this task because I can't get these covers off. Okay, breathe, Bethany. You got this, girl. How much lug could a lug nut if a lug nut could lug? A frickin' a lot. Hey everyone, it's 2025. I am still here trying to get this lug nut cover off. Okay, it's that time in the task where you just have to walk away because you're too frustrated and you're gonna start to swear, and I need a mental break for just a moment and then I'll go back out in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna try squirting a little WD-40 onto the lug nuts and the covers and see if that'll help loosen them. My daughter, who was helping me film this, went inside, so it's just me. Okay. WD-40. Take my little pincher one. Come on. I just need a little bit of a win here. Come on, you little thing. Oh, come on. Please work with me. Please, please, please. Just help me out here a little bit. It just won't slide. I'm not gonna swear. I'm not gonna curse. Come on. We can do this. That's not working. OMG. I feel like a total fool right now. So I just Googled a video and I've been using this hook tool wrong. Give a girl a little slack here. I was putting the round part around the lug nut cover and the guy's like, no, you put the hook, like your Captain Hook, put the hook in behind the cover and pull. Okay. Come on. That seems like it would maybe work in theory, but mine's not getting behind my lug nut. It's like sitting beside the cover. Oh my gosh. Come on, girl. You got this. 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 Yeah, mine won't go behind it. Oh, that sliced my finger. I love all these other videos. Oh, just do this. It'll work. Just simply do this. And then mine are taking forever. Come on. Come on. Work with a girl. Work with a girl. See, mine won't get behind it though. Come on, come on. Oh, come off, come off. Come on, come on. Oh, please, 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 please. Give me a win. Come on. It shouldn't be this hard. Okay, you know what? I've pushed 2 kids out, and that was easier than this task. This hook thing, this part right here, that the girth of that is it's too thick. It won't get in behind the cap. I can get it back there, but I can't just get it behind it for leverage. Yep, we've decided the best course of action here is to cut these covers off with the Dremel. So he's first slicing the cover open with just one cut, and then he's going to have to go in and basically fillet this cover open with a flathead screwdriver, then a long nose, needle nose pliers, then some wire cutters. And as you can see, this was quite the task. It was literally like opening up a can of tuna and just having to fillet this thing open and keep pinching at it and opening it up and trying to grab it. This took longer than it should, but this is what we had to do in order to get it off. I can't stress how frustrating this whole process was. This should be just a simple task, and it turned into just such a stressful situation. But we were finally able to pop it off. There you can see it kind of break, and he was able to grab it, and that's what it looks like. Beautiful, huh? And now we get to start the whole process all over again. Wish us luck. Okay, y'all, that concludes my video on what I thought would be easy with taking the lug nut covers off my enclosed trailer. And it wasn't. And I had to have my demo man literally cut them off. So these little trinkets of trash are going back to Amazon, and I'm going to get a return on them, get my full refund. So if you're looking at buying these, don't do it, okay? And I hate saying this, but you're probably better off just cutting them off, unless someone in the comment section can tell me if there's another tool available. If you suggest there is a tool that AutoZone has that has like silicone wrapping over like a hexagon shape. It can't work on my trailer. You can't get it in. I have such a narrow gap, so that wouldn't work. So we just cut them off. So I'm a little disappointed, but you know what? This is how you learn. This is how you grow, and this is how you get creative and you destroy things, and sometimes it's for the better. So thank you for joining me for this video, and good luck to all of you that have lug nut covers on your vehicle. So toodaloo, till next time, bye.